So if you see here, this has got this little tab on the thing. If possible, don't open from this side. That's a pain in the butt to deal with. What you do is you cut the bottom, because there's no tab on the thing on the bottom, and you can just open it right up. Now you might be like, why is there... And I'm not talking about the tab, this thing. That is a hang tab, yes. I'm talking about this one right here. You see how it locks it in there? Why is that there? Well, it's because of the hang tab. That needs to have more hold strength. Some of these might not even be taped. Obviously, if you don't tape it, people steal it, though. But that's for actually holding it because of that hang tab there. That is a pain to get through. We've shown this on mouse boxes before. Just cut the bottom and open it up. I'm right-handed, by the way. So there you go. Just was able to stuff my hand in there. And you're like, why? Why does it matter that you're right-handed? Well, my left hand is wimpy. Wimpy, wimpy, wimpy.